If you want to make your own website, you're going to need web hosting. And I'm going to explain to you what that is using Pinterest. So after uploading this picture from your computer to Pinterest, you could actually delete the picture from your computer and everyone would still be able to see it on Pinterest. That's because once you upload it to Pinterest, it's actually stored on Pinterest's computers. And these computers that are used to store web content are called servers. This is a picture of a typical server rack. And so for your website, you're going to have pictures, text, you might have videos, all sorts of different content. And that too needs to be stored on a server. So you could either buy your own server and set it up yourself, but that's pretty complicated. So what most people do is they simply rent a space on someone else's servers. And this is called web hosting because they are hosting your web content on their servers.